The process of publishing. Let's talk about it. This is about nonfiction, but fiction is pretty similar as well. First thing you want to do if you want to publish a nonfiction book, first of all, come up with the idea first, obviously, right? But let's say I'm going to do a step-by-step order, okay, as best as possible. Come up with a title and subtitle for the book, okay? Which is like the book idea. The book topic, pick a topic. That's step one, okay? All goes together with a title and subtitle related to the topic. And try to have the keyword for your main niche in the title and the subtitle, okay? Right? Alternative keywords for that topic, because it's good for SEO, search engine optimization purposes, generally speaking, okay? If the book is about, real estate investing and you want to call it The Quest, that's not going to work, okay? People, first of all, when they read a generic title, they're just going to be confused. In nonfiction, you have to be a little direct, okay? Definitely have the main keyword in the title or the subtitle, okay? Number two, the second thing you want to do after you have a book idea is, before you start writing, you want to create an outline, a table of contents, as thorough as possible from start to finish. That is probably the most important thing you want to do, aside from the book idea, okay? Because based on the outline, you're going to be able to write the book. You're not going to wake up and be like, oh, what should I write for chapter 4 now? And then next day, chapter 5. I'm not sure what I want to write about. Let me write about this. No, you want to get the title, the formula, the blueprint down, okay, with the outline. The best outline as possible for that book from start to finish, okay? Try to have at least about 7 to 10 plus chapters, whatnot, and below each chapter, sub-chapters, okay? Essential sub-chapters for each book. So you can have the skeleton, the blueprint of the book, the outline of the book, as detailed as possible. And you can modify as you write later on, okay? But create the outline. Number 3, you want to write the book based on the outline, okay? One section at a time, one chapter at a time. After that, you do that for the entire book. After that, you want to edit the book. You want to take a look at the book and you want to edit the book, whether you're using Grammarly or hiring an editor or whatnot. You can find editors on Upwork.com or places like that, okay? Freelancing websites. After that, you edit the book, or you do yourself. After that, you can go to a website like, you want to format the book. You want to format the book as an ebook, paperback, hardback book, interior, okay? After that, you want to create the design. You want to create the design of the book, okay? After that, you want to publish the book. You want to publish in all the wide platforms out there. This is what I like to do, as an ebook, paperback, hardback, on all the main platforms like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Ingram Spark for expanded distribution. And by the way, if you do that, you got to uncheck on Amazon expanded distribution option. And also turn it into an audiobook, okay? Via acx.com, which is the audiobook department for Amazon. And make sure to do non-exclusive with ACX so you can publish it to other platforms, audio platforms out there like Spotify via Findaway Voices, which reaches out to about 35 plus audio retailers as well. After that step of publishing, next step is you want to advertise. You want to advertise using Amazon ads for all the regions: US, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, Italy, Spain, France. Those are all the 9 regions that Amazon works with, okay? Amazon ads with advertising.amazon.com, which is the website, okay? After that, I would say also advertise using Meta ads, Facebook ads. Oh yeah, okay, Meta ads. Figure that out, learn that. There's another video about it out there. Do Facebook ads for the Amazon ebook, paperback. Also, lastly, do Shopify direct selling. That's part of the strategy to go wide. A lot of really successful authors and publishers are going wide using Shopify in conjunction with a Shopify app for book publishing, such as Book Vault or Lulu. Go research it. That's how to go wide. Now you can sell your own book directly to the readers, and you get more profit, and people are being successful with it using Shopify and Facebook Meta ads. Those go together, okay? After that, advertising, what's the next step? Rinse and repeat, guys. Focus on your back end. The back end, you could have a high ticket coaching program, a high ticket course, or high ticket service, okay? If you're an expert. If you're more of an author or publisher, you just rinse and repeat. Create more books over and over again, because the more books you make, the more money you make at the end of the day. So that's a quick nutshell, a 5-minute video about the publishing process. If you're a fiction writer, it's very similar as well. You come up with an idea, you write, have a, an outline, and then write based on it and edit. You format it, you get the design. That's also, I want to mention that you want to get the design from Upwork or Fiverr or 99 Designs and whatnot, and publish it. I gotta go. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn the step-by-step process I explain in a video screen, a computer screen, watching me work behind the scenes, so you can learn even faster and better how to self-publish your own book as an author or publisher for all genres. You want to have a step-by-step video tutorial, watching me do it, not just talk to you about it. Click the link below the video, check out my resources for my training, or you want to work with me, done for your service and so forth. I gotta go. Click the link below. Talk soon, all right? Take care. Bye.